In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight every other row in Excel. This is a simple formatting trick that can make spreadsheets much easier to read, especially when you're working with larger tables of data. By shading alternating rows, you create a cleaner visual layout that helps your eyes track information across the sheet without getting lost. To get started, open your Excel worksheet and select the range of cells where you want the alternating row highlight to appear. It's important to choose the correct range first because the formatting rule will only apply to the cells you have selected. If you're working with a table, you can highlight the full data area before moving on. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the Style section, click Conditional Formatting and then choose New Rule. This opens the Rule Setup window, where you can tell Excel exactly how you want the formatting to work. From the list of rule types, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This option gives you more control and is the recommended method for highlighting every other row automatically. In the formula box, enter equals MOD open parenthesis ROW open and close parenthesis comma 2 close parenthesis equals 0. Written normally, that formula is equals MOD open parenthesis row open and close parenthesis comma 2 close parenthesis equals 0. This formula tells Excel to highlight every even-numbered row. In other words, rows 2, 4, 6, and so on will receive the formatting. If you would rather highlight the odd-numbered rows instead, use the formula equals MOD, open parenthesis, row, open and close parenthesis, comma 2, close parenthesis, equals 1. Once the formula is entered, click Format in the formatting window, go to the Fill tab and choose the color you want to use for the highlighted rows. A light fill color usually works best because it improves readability without overpowering the text. After choosing your color, click OK, and then click OK again to apply the rule. Excel will now automatically highlight every other row in the selected range. One of the biggest advantages of using conditional formatting is that it updates dynamically, so the pattern stays consistent as you work within that formatted area. And that's how to highlight every other row in Excel using conditional formatting. It's quick, effective, and a great way to make your spreadsheet look more polished and easier to scan.